I patched up the hole under the carrier's condenser today. I had some scrap wood left over from another project I recently completed, and so I just cut a piece to fit and stuck it under there. And I can't believe how much of a difference it made. And there's still a little bit of air coming out, but not much at all. Definitely better airflow, much better airflow than I thought there would be. I can't believe how much of an improvement this has been. The other day I did a video on the temperature checks. It was 90 degrees out. It was about 80 in. And on that video, the condenser temperature coming out at the hottest point was around 183. Right now it's only 75 degrees out with about 75 in. I just turned it on. And it's only 129. That's unbelievable. It should be like 168 or so, 165, maybe 160 because the room is cooler. I used to not even be able to stand here. It's still hot, but it's not unbearable. Let's go to the end of the condenser here. Discharge on this unit in the center, so from here to here is our delta. So we're going from 140 to 120. Wow, I'm really surprised. There's definitely better airflow too, especially down here. Much stronger airflow at the bottom. So shame on me for not doing that sooner. That made a pretty significant difference in the temperature. I also noticed that it took a lot longer for the compressor to get loud. And even right now, the compressor seems kind of quiet compared to what it usually is. Let's do a quick check of the inside here. It's already 60s in here. It's cooling really fast today because the sun is not out. Stick this in here for a minute and let's see what we get. That's running good. That was definitely a big improvement to put that on there, and they really should have fixed that before. Now the condensers on these kind of form factor units are really undersized for what's ideal, so it is true that every bit of air counts.